This is a Just Fit puzzle. It was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame. If you like the Just Fit puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. Once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that it is not as easy looking as it is. Since each piece has a unique shape, as you can see, they are not square or cubes as you can see them from the top. They not look like a simple checkerboard, but when you remove the parts and flip them, you will see that all pieces have a unique shape. There are no exactly the same parts in this puzzle. All of them are different. And then you discover that there is a second layer of parts right here on the bottom, and they also have this weird shape. And when you remove all the parts from the frame and then try to pack them back inside, it will be really difficult. The only hint that you have is that when you put parts back inside, you have to put them in this checkerboard scheme, and that is the only help that you can get. But the rest will be quite difficult, since a piece like this, it looks like exactly like a piece like this, but they have a different shape on the other side. And then you have to put the parts on the second bottom layer in a correct way so that they will match the parts in the top layer. But if you put something wrong, you will see that it won't fit. And that when you know that the puzzle isn't solved. But when you put all parts back inside and there are no sticking out pieces, that means that the puzzle is solved. If you like the Just Fit puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca.